Hey, let's see how to run DeepSeek AI locally on your computer for free. Go to the Oolma website and download the application. After downloading Oolma, open CMD on your computer. Can see the available models on the Oolma website. For this tutorial, we will be using the DeepSeek R1 model. The DeepSeek R1 model comes with various parameter options. The higher the number of parameters, the more computer resources you will need to run it smoothly. I recommend starting with the 7.6b parameter model, as it strikes a good balance between performance and resource usage. Copy the command for the 7.6b model and run it in the terminal. Run the model. After installing the model, you can run it directly from the command line. In the next tutorial, we'll cover how to use the DeepSeek model through a graphical user interface GUI for easier interaction.